Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Carpet cleaning giant amidst data breach. You see the picture. Stanley Steemer. Come on, Stanley Steemer. Let's get it together. Stanley Steemer is one of the go-tos in the United States for domestic cleaning service. Has suffered a data breach that may affect tens of thousands of people. The international company made the disclosure from its headquarters in Ohio, notifying the Attorney General in the state of Maine, which imposes strict reporting requirements for data breach that affect its residents. Stanley Steemer told Maine that just 17 of its residents were potentially impacted, up to 67,000 people in total may have their names, driver's license, and other IDs exposed to an unknown threat actor detected in the system in March. Around this time, cyber watchdog Falcon Fristo shared a claim on Twitter, nowadays known as X, that the ransomware group Play was behind the attack on the carpet cleaning giant. For its part, Stanley Steemer believes the interloper was sniffing around his network between February the 10th and March the 6th, but not arrived at any firm conclusion until it concluded its internal investigation on September the 7th. It was determined that there were unauthorized access to Stanley Steemer's network. The company said in a letter of disclosure sent to affected Maine residents on November 15th. The unauthorized actor had the ability to access and acquire certain files while on the network. It added the information that could have been subjected to unauthorized access included name, social security number, driver's license number, and financial account information. Stanley said it's notified both the federal authorities and state regulators and offered victims 2 years worth of free credit monitoring by way of compensation. Additionally, Stanley Steemer provided impact individuals with guidance on how to better protect against identity theft and fraud, providing individuals with information on how to place a fraud alert and security freeze on one's credit files. Founded in 1947, Stanley Steemer has 275 branches in 45 states across the United States, employs more than 2,000 people. In 2006 alone, he claimed to have provided service to 2 million homes. I guess I didn't realize Stanley Steemer was that big. Once again, carpet cleaning giant amidst a data breach, which is Stanley Steemer. Come on, Stanley Steemer, let's get it together.